Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm doing a Brandy Melville unboxing kind of video. I just picked up the package, I haven't even opened it. Let's hope everything's there. 6 things I think, and let's pray that they all made it here. So I'm gonna try these things on for you guys also, because I feel like it's way easier to see if you like something if like the person tries it on and you see how it fits on like different body types and stuff. So the first thing I got, Grand Tour Japan like crew neck sweater. Yeah, try on, like it's kind of like oversized and loose, and I don't even know like where they came up with this, but I've seen a lot of girls wear it and I was like, oh, that's cute, and it looks comfy with like leggings or something. So yeah, you'll see on the try on it just has this print in the front and it's super soft on the inside. So I really like this, and I'll insert the prices somewhere. The next thing I got is this black long sleeve, and it's just a little cinched in the front. It's just like a kind of cropped, tight long sleeve. I feel like it's like a basic for most outfits, like you can wear it with any jacket, like this one, this white one. And so I really like this. This is one of my favorite things that I got, and it's this button down like crop sweater, and it's just like a little like thick material. I think it would be super cute with like some mom jeans and like a jacket thrown over. So yeah, it's just this cute little crop sweater. Next, actually, this is probably my favorite thing that I got. It's this cropped button down. I think it's called the Caroline top, and it has like a white collar, so it's forest green, like a black stripe, and then like white on the top. And you'll see in the try on that this is just like a cute piece, like you wear with any jeans, and I just really think this is adorable. Next, this kind of fits like a thermal top. I thought it was like a different material when I bought it, and it's one of those like wraparound tops, so you can tie it like in the front or you can tie it in the back. I usually tie it in the back, but yeah, so it's just like this blue flowery print material, super cute, just to like the other shirt pair with anything, and so I really like this. Last thing I have, which I actually think I ordered in a different color. I think they sent me the wrong one, but it's fine. It's this black and white polka dot dress, and it's buttoned down, and then it also has a tie, which I guess if it's like too big you can tie it, but I think this is super cute because you can just throw on with literally any shoes, any white shoes or black shoes. It's just a nice like looking dress, and hopefully it's long enough. We'll see in the try on. But yeah, this is super cute. I'll link these things down below if you guys are interested in buying them. Yeah, that was everything I purchased from Brandy Melville. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and the try on showed you guys how they fit on well enough. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below.